Welcome to my channel, where we help companies turn audit, compliance, and risk into strategic value. Today's episode is about something that's not just coming, it's already here, the future of internal audit. We're moving beyond static checklists, isolated control tests, and annual reports. Internal audit is evolving into a real-time, analytics-driven AI support function, one that doesn't just ask if controls were followed, but gives the business continuous confidence that the right things are happening at the right time with the right oversight. Let's talk about what that looks like, the tools, the technologies that are powering it, and the skills internal auditors need to stay relevant and effective in this new environment. For decades, internal audit has relied on sampling, pick 25 invoices, test can access reviews, and hope these results reflect the rest. But now, we don't have to hope. We can know. With today's data tools, audit functions can monitor 100% of transactions for anomalies, use dashboards to track control effectiveness and drift in real time, set up alerting when logs are missing or processes break down, build dynamic risk indicators that change as the business evolves. This shift isn't about efficiency, it's about trust. Continuous monitoring builds real-time assurance that leadership and stakeholders can count on. AI is changing the audit landscape. It's already being used by forward-thinking audit teams to create custom test plans based on control objectives, build risk and control matrices tailored to the system and business processes, scan and analyze unstructured audit evidence like screenshots, logs, meeting notes, and assign confidence scores, summarizing findings, prioritizing exceptions, and even writing initial audit commentary. The role of the auditor isn't going away, it's being amplified. AI frees up your team to focus on risk analysis, control design, and advisory work instead of repetitive evidence gathering or documentation tasks. Think of it like this: AI doesn't do the audit for you, it gives you a faster, smarter starting point. Let's be honest, none of this will work without the people who can run the tools asking the right questions. So what skills do internal auditors need today and tomorrow? Let me walk you through what's now considered essential. Data analytics and visualization, using tools like Power BI or Tableau, scripting languages like Python or SQL to run logic-based control tests, familiarity with audit automation tools like Alteryx, Audit Board, or Teammate, AI literacy, understanding how models work, where they fail, and how to validate them, cybersecurity and cloud knowledge, because your controls live in AWS, Azure, or GCP now. And most importantly, agile thinking. Critically thinking auditors who can adapt, prioritize, and iterate in a continuous audit environment. The internal audit team of the future isn't just made up of CPAs and compliance pros, it's multidisciplinary, part data science, part governance, and part business intelligence. So how do you build this type of team? There are two paths every audit leader can focus on. One is upskilling your current team. Start with small training investments, data storytelling workshops, hands-on training in SQL or Power BI, shadow projects with IT, security, or data teams, certifications like the CISA, the CDA, or data analytics boot camps. The goal isn't to turn auditors into developers. It's to give them just enough fluency to collaborate, automate, and scale. You can also hire for hybrid skills. When hiring, look for candidates who can think analytically and communicate clearly, have exposure to automation tools, and come from a variety of backgrounds like compliance ops, risk analytics, or even product design. Include scenario-based interviews that stimulate real audit questions. Can they navigate a data set? Can they automate a process? Can they assess control health from logs? The future of internal audit isn't just testing controls. It's about engineering confidence. We have the tools and increasingly the expectations to deliver assurance in near real time. But to do that, we need teams that are data savvy, tech literate, and strategically aligned with the business. This shift won't happen overnight, but it's starting today with talent you train and tools you deploy and the mindset you cultivate. At the Audit Advantage Group, we're helping internal audit teams modernize with analytics, automation, and AI-supported control design. If you're ready to shift from traditional testing to continuous confidence, we're here to help you map the path forward. Until next time, stay sharp, stay strategic, and lead with trust.